Yeah, yeah. So everything with it,
Yes, everything works, man.
cause you do 20,
I need 30.
30.
It works 30.
Huh?
It works 30. I paid them the $200 for it, but like I said, I'm willing to depart for $30.
Okay.
And I got a mad app at the house, and my mad app cost. And I damn sure can't sell that for no $30. I paid them that $800 for that.
Yeah. So this is the 1,000.
Yeah, it's a sub amp plus it highs and the sub. So it got like 4 channels, then the sub with a channel 2 of the shit.
Okay.
So
Nothing
5
up.
channels.
Nothing broke off or nothing on it.
Nothing broke off there, man. I don't sell broke foot.
No, I mean, I ain't saying you said it, but you never.
I wouldn't even
Yeah.
even half people wouldn't even have a birth sheet in here.
That's true.
With the serial number.
No, that's true. That's
You see
true.
the serial number? All that's
Yeah.
the same.
Okay.
And like I said, I kept it like this. Only reason I took it out truck because I wanted the marine one.
You got a 20.
Yes, I do.
All right. I get it for 30.
Good man, you got a good product.
Yeah. Yeah, I appreciate it.
I appreciate you. Thank
All
you.
right. Oh, my bad.
I
You got
got
it.
it.
Got
It
it.
ain't going nowhere.
Don't let it go too far. All right.
They got a good home. You enjoy that. Man.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Good doing business with you.
My name's Frank.
All right. I'm at Ramona Flea Market.
Hey, just stop me a
Only one.
So that guy, I ain't been out here in a while. I just picked this up from the gentleman. Good deal. I ain't negotiate too much. I let him live. He gotta eat too, so I let him live. Purchased this amplifier from the flea market this past Saturday. Here's how I look it up, how I do the comps, how I sell one like this, make my listing, and get it listed within 5 minutes or less. So I found the exact one I have, a lot of similar ones, but the one I have is the 1000.5, MT-1000.5. Don't get it confused with the others that look similar. So I clicked on the one like mine. I said, sell one like this. Well, hold on. I went back just to show you some pictures and go further into the label just to show this is the exact one that I have. Okay. Now I'm going to click on it and go to sell one like this. So it's already, the information is already filled in. I just need to add my pictures that I want to add. As you can see, the blue checks. I'm picking all the pictures that I want to add. I actually got to go back if I didn't put the wires in there. Maybe I missed that. So I'll go back. But anyway, so I added my photos. I took a few minutes to crop them, turn them, take my curtains out, different things like that. I could have did it a lot faster, but I took my time. It was about 4 minutes. Actually, listening it was like 3 minutes. But after I got all my pictures together, let's give it a second. Turn it. Okay. Looking at all the components, making sure everything, nothing bent, nothing damaged. I'm taking his word for it, but at the same time, you want to give the best case scenario for yourself and your customer. You want to make sure that they're getting a good product. So anyway, we're back. Pictures. Come on, pictures. All right, let's give it a second. Turn that. All right. That's the manual and the power certificate, which is important. Okay. Now we're on the title. So everything is already pre-entered, but I took off the fire symbol and I put in VG, meaning very good. I didn't want to take off too much information because The other one sold off of that information, so I just want to ride right in on his path. I want to say used. You want to say it's used. Go down. All these items specifics should be on point because this is the exact item and the exact UPC code. Now we want to put a description. So I just freestyle. This amplifier was purchased at, I can't remember what I said. You can read it. But straight to the point. It's no exaggerating, no making nothing up. I'm posting exactly what the person that sold it to me told me. That's exactly how I'm writing it out. So basically, I said this amplifier is in very good condition, original box and manual, plus inserts and some wires. And then I go into a few more details on that. I'll give you a second to just see how I do it. I want you to see exactly how I make a listing. This is a full listing I'm making off of Sell One Like This. Now, it's ways to create your own listing from scratch. It takes more time, but they gave you this feature or this function to make it a lot quicker, a lot faster. You know, if you have one exactly the same, all you have to do is just change the condition and change your scenarios to, you know, what yours is. You know, yours may be broken. Yours may be used. It only goes so high with the volume or whatever. You can put all that in the description, but you still have the exact same component, so you still can sell one like this. All right, we're done with that. Now pricing. So I just came up with $119.95 because I saw the other one open box sold for $150. So I figure $119.95 would be a sweet spot for somebody who just wants one but don't want to pay $150. I'm taking offers, so I take 100. Not trying to make a whole ton off this. It's just like a $30 investment until if I can make $60, $70 profit, I'm happy. I just did $12.95 shipping. I could pretty much ship it USPS priority or ground advantage for that. And I always remember right here to click require immediate payment. That means if they buy this item, they have to pay immediately. And it was only 35 cents to list it, and listing done. Boom. We out of here now. I went back to view the listing just to check over it to make sure everything is good how I want it. Like I said, I have to go back and add the wires. But other than that, nice pictures, enough to express what I'm trying to express. They can see everything. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. And we out of here, man. That's how you list on eBay.